Yes, we are in the Gikondo Expo.
Yes.
That is Richard, and we are dealing with selling kitchenware product. For instance, we have here a double grill pan for cooking without using oil, without using water. In Rwanda we say that mazi ushizemo,
yes,
chango na mavuta ushizemo. Ingi kuteka chango kuri gasi, kuri mbaura, kumakara byose abateka. Yego, wayibona. Ibishimbo washiramo amazi, umuchere washiramo amazi. Inyama inguku n'amazi ushizemo, chango na mavuta ushizemo. Wahindura, wahindukiza. Yes, you cook without using water, without using oil. You cook every food except ugali. Yes, you are most welcome.
How do you call this?
Okay, this one is called the double grill pan. It's called the double grill pan because it's cooking by using both sides. Okay. This side and this side. It's normal. It's not normal like other frying pan. The secret behind is having non-stick material. Okay. That means it can't burn. That's why even if you want to fry eggs, you can fry without using oil.
Okay.
Okay, you cook every food except ugali or kaunga.
Except ugali? Except
ugali.
You can cook...
you can cook fish.
Fish.
You can cook meat. You have sweet potato. You have Irish. You have fish. Every food.
Okay, and the rice?
Sides, even rice.
And the beans?
And beans.
And the potatoes?
Potato, everything.
Even the sweet potatoes?
Even sweet potato.
Okay.
You apply water for 3 cases. You can apply water if you are preparing rice.
Yes.
You can apply water if you are preparing beans. That means you are boiling beans.
Okay.
Okay. Even if you want soup or sauce, also you need to apply water inside.
Okay.
That is the original one. It's called the Destiny.
Okay.
Yes, made in Italy.
Made in Italy.
Yes, you are most welcome.
Okay. Then how much is the brand new one?
The brand new ones we have in the smaller size and the bigger size.
Okay.
The smaller one is 36 centimeter. We are selling at 3,500. No. Mirongo tatu na bitano.
35,000.
35,000.
Okay.
That is the smaller size. Akatoya.
Ego.
Inini.
Yes.
We are selling at mirongo ine na bitano.
45. Mirongo ine na bitano.
Yes.
Very good to Kinyarwanda.
Hey, you are. Hey.
Okay.
Kuna ingine hii hapa ya kukora
sombe,
ubuyoga, aka mashine kamo kakukora vyosa.
Oh, kamwe
kakukora vyosa.
Only one machine can do.
Only one machine you can do everything.
Everything.
You want to make a juice, you want to cut a sweet potato, you want to make a juice, to cut vegetables.
How much is that machine?
Also 35,000.
How do you call it?
We call the electrical meat grinder.
Electrical
meat grinder.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, this
also,
is good.
We are having, this one is called the water pump.
Okay.
That one is water pump. Yes. You charge at once, use more than 1 month.
Okay.
Yes, water pump. Richard quality product.
Richard quality product. Thank you very much.
You are most welcome.